my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Grab your pinkity drinkities, it's about to be a long video. Hey guys, so today we have a special guest. This is Araceli.
Hi.
Say hi. Okay, so I wanted to do a look with her because obviously we are two different skin tones, and I wanted to do kind of create a universal look that would look good on every skin tone and every skin type. So I'm going to do a kind of like a fall inspired look on her that you could do on any skin type. Alright, I'm going to start with her eyes, and I'm going to go in with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm just going to prime her eyes.
Yay.
And this is just to start a base off so the shadows are more vibrant. Alright, now that we have her eyes all primed, we're going to go in with the Morphe 35F palette and start in with our look. Go in with like a light brown, and I'm just going to pack this into the crease. Come closer! Alright. You're just going to want to take this into the crease only, and kind of out on the edge to give it like a smoked out look. I'm going to go in with this really pretty light pink color.
That's so pretty.
I know, right? It's gorgeous. Huh? I'm just packing this on. Alright, and then to give it a special effect, we're gonna go, or like more pigment, I don't know why I said that. We're gonna get the setting spray. You wanna grab that, Araceli?
Yes.
Okay. And you're going to spray the brush. Not too close though. You can even use water if you don't have setting spray. It's just to get it wet. That's all. Alright, come here. You're just gonna pack the shimmer shade on right here. That's all you're doing. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black that I put the glitter on, but not much. And I'm going to
Blend
take
it
it.
in.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Turn your head. Alright, I'm gonna start in the outer corner just to kind of give it like a dramatic kind of smoky look and just blend it.
She's gonna fill in my eyebrows.
I'm gonna use the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Definer in the shade Stud. And I'm gonna do this before I do her foundation just because I want, in case I mess up or something, then the foundation will just kind of cover it up, or if I do it too intense. So come here and stop. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take strokes, because she has pretty thick eyebrows anyways, don't move, and just stroke it through. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the MAC face primer, and I'm gonna just
So cool.
Alright, now I'm gonna go in with her foundation, and I just got samples because obviously we're two different colors. So I'm gonna do the NW15 and the NW35.
And she don't want to use all of the money on just one tube if she's not going to use it.
Exactly.
Because I have a different skin color than her, so
Yep, very different.
she don't want to like get a
Put your
whole
head down.
tube and then it just sits in her bedroom for a week or like
Years. I would look insane if I had this color.
Yeah, you'd probably look like a chocolate bar.
Yeah,
Chocolate chip.
Are you hungry or something? You keep saying
I am
food.
hungry.
Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my It Cosmetics powder. Stop! You look like a fish. and I'm gonna set her foundation with the powder.
Well, yeah, bro.
You kind of just want to like pat it in the skin.
Punch me.
I'm sorry.
I'm just joking.
You kind of just want to pat it in the skin.
She's just dapping on my face. She's not.
Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the Milani bronzer and bronzer up. Go like this. Go. Alright, turn your head while you're doing it. Turn your head. Come here. And I'm just gonna make a 3. Now on me, this bronzer is kind of dark, so you want to start up in the forehead, and you want to go down and make a 3.
Oh,
And like I said, this is really light on her, but it still gives her like a bronzy look. On me, it's pretty dark, so I have to be very careful.
Yeah, she only has to put like she has to like take a little piece of, like she has to take her brush and barely dip it.
Oh, you're a beauty guru. Now I'm gonna go in with the Rodeo Drive Ofra highlighter, and I'm gonna take a little flat brush, and I'm gonna put this in the inner corner of her eye to make a pop. Come here. Come here. Alright, now I'm gonna go under her eyebrows and highlight.
So yeah.
Turn your head.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you? Turn your head. Okay, and then we're gonna go under here and highlight. And then I'm going to take this highlighter brush, hand it to me.
I wonder if this
Open that up.
can get it.
Good job. Okay, and then I'm going to, come here. I'm gonna do an exclamation point. I'm gonna obviously do her.
Are you videoing?
Come here.
Oh.
Turn your head.
I don't know if you were or not.
Alright, and I'm gonna highlight her face. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Roller Lash by Benefit and do her mascara. She has really pretty lashes, so
Thank you.
you're welcome. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. So I have her close her eyes, and then I go up, so you get the bottom lashes and the top at the same time.
So she won't poke me in the eyeball.
Be quiet. Alright, now we're gonna go with Double Dare by Kat Von D and do her lips. Come here.
I was copying what you said. Okay, if this video gets to 300 likes, Peyton said she's gonna put me back on my channel. Whoop.
On your channel, it's mine!
No, on your channel, that's what I said.
Okay, spray your face. With your settings. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you would like to see me do next.
Bye!
As always, thanks for rolling with me. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with like an orangey brown and go and put it right. What are you doing? Okay, that could be a blooper. Alright,
So big. They look like giant chocolate bars. Not that big.
you're crying.
But they did. They look like giant chocolate bars.
Your eyebrows did?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's like freezing. It feels like ice cream.
Cinnamon! He's having a party down there.
Let's get a party hot. Let's get a party.